Hello guys, today I've got the XIAOMI Pad 8 and I'm going to show you how you can easily set up the floating magnetic keyboard shortcuts. So, at first open the settings, but only when your keyboard is attached. Now, once you see this, you need to go to the keyboard settings. So here, styles and keyboard, and now tap custom shortcuts. As you can see here, we can tap on each, and for example here they have command, this I think command shift A or control. It's not control, it's command shift A. So let me for example tap lock screen. Instead of command L, it will be command 7. Okay, command 7, done. Let me bring it back to the command L. Okay, we can disable or enable these shortcuts too, or as you can see, set up everything. If you scroll down, you can see open apps, a shortcut, preferences, etc. That's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.